Alright guys, so yeah, welcome back to my channel. So this video is actually going to be very short because this is actually very urgent. So I just got a message now. You can actually claim for new members, you can claim up to $50. You can see these NFTs are currently trading for $56 for new members. This app just launched, so they are giving the first couple of thousands of members this free NFT, so you can quickly claim it. I've not even rested. Immediately I got the information, I started making this video just so that you guys can be part of the first people to claim this. So if you don't know what NFT is, basically just claim it first. I'll make another video to explain. That's how urgent it is. NFT is like a digital art, like let me just put it as it has relations to cryptocurrencies, like a digital form of art which you can sell online. So as you can see here, the price currently is $56.86. That's for new members, and you can actually get the one of $2,000 that they're giving away for free. So if you want to, let me just teach you how to do this. So first of all, subscribe to this channel if you want more information like this, because I'll be dropping many more. So first of all, you have to go to Play Store and download this app called Browser. This one here. This one right here. So just go to, let me show you why you should actually claim this very soon. So as you can see here, this is the app. I don't know where you can, okay, as you can see, it has only 1,000 downloads. So this is what they're using to promote the app. The app is just launched, so they're looking for people who can join. They're looking for new members. So if you can join this, they'll actually give you the NFT for free, like honestly for free. So guys, go ahead and download the app. So now let me show you the steps on how to get the free NFT. So I put it down here. So first of all, when you download the app, after downloading it, open the app and go to the app settings. So let me show you here. Where is the app? Yeah, so let me show you here. So once, yeah, this is how the app is going to be when you open it up. So just click on this place bottom right and click on it. So you see settings. Yeah, that's the settings. So you first of all, you have to connect wallet. It won't show this NFT reward. It will not show it here first. First of all, you have to connect wallet. So connect wallet, just click on it. I've connected my own, so you won't see it. So once you click on it, just click on Trust Wallet. So you click, once you click on Trust Wallet, there, it will take you to your Trust Wallet app. Note, if you don't have Trust Wallet, go and download it. This name is Trust Wallet. Just download the app from Play Store, sign up, and get a wallet. So once you do this, click this, it automatically opens it. Then you just click on connect, keep clicking on connect until it finally connects. For iOS users, so I think it also works for iOS users also. So you can just connect that. After connecting it, then it will show you to get your NFTs. You just come back here and you see that this option is already showing there. So once it's already showing, you just click on it. Then it will ask you to enter a referral code. It's compulsory. That I say, if you don't use this referral code, you won't get the NFT. So you just input this referral code that is here. I also believe it's in the description box. 12HEJ. Just input the referral code there, so you actually get the NFC. So that's how to do it. I'll be dropping another video later on how to swap it. So okay, let me show you more details. Okay, so this is, sorry, the page was not showing before. So once you put this 128EJ in the box that you see there. So as you can see, once you get one referral, you get $50 NFT. That's just basic foundation. One referral, you get $50 NFT. And 10 referrals, $100 NFT. 25 referrals, you get $400 NFT. Then 100 referrals, you get $2,000 NFT. As you can see, that's ideal for social media sharing. They're trying to get more members. So if you can do this, and it's actually legit because it has been listed on OpenSea. The link to that is also in the description box, so you can see the actual price. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you claim this as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. 10 members, you get $50. And once you refer $20, you get 100. 20 members, you get $100 NFT. And once you refer, the highest is 100 referrals. Once you refer 100 people, you get $2,000 NFT for free. As you can see, the app just started. So guys, don't dull on this. I'll be dropping all the links in the description box and Telegram channel. So do this immediately and claim it. I'll be making another video on how to claim it and like how to exchange it and more details about it. So but this is just to get you to claim it immediately. Like I had to rush to make this video so you guys don't miss out. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you want more video like this, and I'll see you hopefully in the next one.